In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the active status on Instagram for just one person. Sometimes, you might not want a specific person to see you when you are online or active on the app. By following a few simple steps, you can control who can see your activity status. To get started, open up the Instagram app, tap on the search button at the bottom, and search for the person that you want to hide your activity status from. Tap and select them from the search results. Once you are on their profile, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner. And then select Restrict. That person is now restricted. Once you've restricted someone, they won't be able to see when you're active on Instagram anymore. By following these simple steps, you can easily control who sees your activity status on Instagram and have more privacy while using the app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.